In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export bookmarks from Brave browser. If you want to create a backup of your saved websites or move your bookmarks to another browser or computer, exporting bookmarks from Brave browser is a quick and useful process. By exporting your bookmarks, you can safely store all your saved links in a single file that can later be imported whenever needed. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process step by step so you can easily back up your Brave bookmarks and keep your important websites organized and protected. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once you're on the main browser screen, move your cursor toward the upper right corner where you'll find the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open Brave's main menu. After the menu appears, move your cursor over the option labeled Bookmarks and Lists. As you hover over it, another side menu will appear with additional bookmark-related options. From that secondary menu, click on Open Bookmarks Manager. This will take you to Brave's Bookmark Manager page, which is the area where all your saved bookmarks and folders are stored. Here, you'll be able to view the websites you've collected over time and see how they're organized into folders and categories for easier access. Once the Bookmark Manager page opens, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice another menu icon displayed as 3 vertical dots. Click on this icon to reveal more bookmark management options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export Bookmarks. Choosing this option tells Brave to create a bookmark backup file containing all of your saved websites and bookmark folders. After selecting Export Bookmarks, a File Explorer window will open on your computer. This is where you'll choose the location where the bookmark file will be saved. Browse through your folders and select a destination that's easy to remember, such as your desktop, Documents folder, or another backup location you commonly use. Before saving the file, you'll also have the option to rename it. Brave may automatically assign a default file name, but you can customize it to something more recognizable, such as Brave Bookmarks Backup or Bookmarks Archive. Giving the file a clear name can make it easier to identify later, especially if you create multiple backups over time. Once you've selected the folder and adjusted the file name if needed, click the Save button to complete the process. Brave will then export all your bookmarks into a single HTML file that can later be imported into Brave or another browser whenever necessary. And that's it! You've successfully exported your bookmarks from Brave browser and created a secure backup of your saved websites. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.